Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Tita Rayutiantika. You can call me Tita. Now I want to present to you about my weekly plan, instrument and media that I will use for learning English in kindergarten using theme of animal and method storytelling. Kegiatan pembelajaran bahasa Inggris ini akan dilaksanakan selama 7 minggu, di mana pada pertemuan pertama dan pertemuan terakhir akan dibuat pretest dan posttest. Berikut adalah lembar pretest dan posttest yang akan saya gunakan. Nah, worksheet ini terdiri dari 2 lembar kertas, terdiri dari 4 soal. This is the worksheet that I will use to pretest. On the number 1, the children need to rewrite the name of the animal on the down below. Rewrite the chicks, cow, and elephant. And on the number 2, children are asked to count the number of animals. As in the first picture, the children count the number of the fish and write on the down below. And then the children add the fish, frog, duck on this column, and on the other sheet it's called which of these live in the sea? Circle yes or no. This is a caterpillar. Does caterpillar live in a sea? If yes, circle yes, and if no, circle no. Is fish live on the sea? If yes, circle yes, and if no, circle no. Terus seperti itu hingga semuanya terisi. Dan untuk soal yang terakhir, coloring animals picture. So the children needs to coloring this crocodile with the color of green and this crab with the color of red. On the second week, I will use this flashcard. Flashcard ini berfungsi sebagai media untuk pengenalan nama-nama binatang. Selain flashcard, dalam pengenalan binatang, saya akan menerapkan media sing a song. Now, let's sing together. Repeat after me. Kucing cat, anjing dog, kupu-kupu butterfly, ikan fish, katak frog, gajah elephant, singa lion, tikus mouse, macan tiger, ular snake, buaya crocodile, semut ant, dan burung bird. Another media that I will use in the second week is a dice, like this. Nah, how to play it? So the children is asked to stand in a circle. One of the children throw the dice like this. And then the children is asked to imitate the animal movement according to the picture that appears. So this is a fly like a bird. Jadi anak diminta untuk menirukan gerakan terbang seperti burung. Dan apabila yang muncul adalah ini, jadi anak diminta untuk jump like a crocodile. waddle like a penguin, hop like a frog, slither like a snake, stand like a flamingo, and on the third week, counting with song. Let's sing together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting from 1 to 10. Counting from 1 to 10. And now I have a story about the little chick. One day, there lived a hen. The hen has 12 eggs. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ten eggs has hatched, but 2 of them still haven't hatched. The hen leaves 2 eggs and goes to find food with 10 other chicks. Meanwhile, one of the eggs finally hatched. The chick is looking for its mother, but nothing. The little chick met the cow that is eating grass and thought that it was its mother. After a while, the little chick met the goat and thought that it was its mother. But that's not. After a while, the little chick hears a bird. The little chick asks the bird that it was its mother. The little chick sees the duck with its duckling on the edge of the lake and thought that it was its mother. Finally, the little chick met its mother. Yay! Happy ending! On the fourth week, the children are able to mention the characteristic of animals. An animal that I will use is fish. Fish is life in the water. Fish can swim. Fish have 2 sheep and has 1 tail. Media selanjutnya adalah papan habitat. Jadi nanti anak diminta untuk baris dan mengantri. Selanjutnya mengambil satu gambar. Misalnya anak mengambil gambar ini. Bed. Di mana tempat tinggal kelelawar? Apakah di darat, air, atau udara? Karena kelelawar dapat terbang, jadi kelelawar letaknya di udara. Lalu yang selanjutnya adalah gambar gajah, elephant. Where does the elephant live? The elephant live in a land. Apa di bahasa Inggrisnya? Squid. And now it's a squid. Where does the squid live? The squid live in a water. Jadi anak mengambil gambar dan menempelkannya sesuai dengan habitat yang sesuai. Salah guys. That's it. On the 5th week, the indicator are the child is able to say the word correctly. Children are able to imitate simple sentence spoken by the teacher, and I want to use this storybook, and children are able to mimic animal movement songs. Now I want to read about this storybook, and the title is Gogo, the Kind-Hearted Elephant. Gogo is an elephant that lives in the forest. In the afternoon, Gogo wants to play on a field. Gogo smile and greet Pipu. Pipu adalah burung gagak. But Pipu mock him, tapi Pipu menghiraukannya. Gogo goes to the field to play. After playing, Gogo returns to the forest. Gogo heard Pipu's cry. Pipu's net is broken. Kasihan. Gogo used his trunk to make a new nest for Pipu. Pipu is so happy and apologizes to Gogo for his mistakes. Jadi, meskipun sebelumnya Pipu jahat kepada Gogo, tapi Gogo tetap baik hati dan mau menolong Pipu. And now let's move to animal movement song. Run, 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 like a cheetah. Run, 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 like a cheetah. Swing, 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 like a monkey. Swing, 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 like a monkey. Fly, 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 like a eagle. Fly, 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 like a eagle. Paddle, 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 like a turtle. Paddle, 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 like a turtle. Animals in action, animals in action. Now on the 6 weeks, I'm gonna use this The Lion and the Mouse storybook. There was a lion lived in the forest. One day after eating fully, the lion fell asleep and snored. The mouse ran toward the lion. Tikusnya ada di sini. Climbed on the lion's back and jumped happily. The lion woke up and angry, but then the lion let the mouse go. A few days later, the lion was looking for food and was trapped in a net. The mouse came over and helped the lion. The lion and the mouse become friends. And on the 7th week, which is the final week, the teacher will give post test. This is the same as a pretest. It's aimed to determine the child's English ability after receiving storytelling treatment. So that's all. Thank you.